Alex dreamed of the open road, and in the pages of a book, the journey began. Today, you will improve your English by discovering incredible stories of adventure and identity. Hello and welcome. I will be speaking in slow and clear English for intermediate learners. Today's theme is Queer Road Trip Books. This is a perfect topic to learn vocabulary about travel, adventure, and feelings. In this video, we will follow a structure to help you learn effectively. First, you will hear the complete story in English. Then, we will review the story with both English and Spanish text on the screen. After that, we will learn some key vocabulary and a useful expression. Finally, I will ask you some questions to check your understanding, with a pause for you to think. Are you ready? Let's begin. Alex felt a familiar pull, a feeling of wanderlust that grew stronger with the changing seasons. They sat in their favorite armchair, surrounded by maps and books, dreaming of an adventure. They wanted to hit the road, to drive with no destination, just the promise of the horizon. That evening, while scrolling online, they found an article titled, 16 Queer Road Trip Books to Adventure With. Their eyes lit up. This was exactly the inspiration they needed. The article was divided into categories. The first was Journeys of Self-Discovery. Alex read about a book called The Cactus Kept Our Secret. It was about a quiet teenager who drives their grandfather's old car through the desert after graduating. On the way, they learn about their family's past and, more importantly, about their own identity and courage. Alex imagined the dry heat and the endless, starry nights of the desert. Next was the Romance on the Road section. A book titled Highway Hearts caught their attention. It told the story of two rival musicians who are forced to share a ride to a music festival on the West Coast. The summary promised witty banter, shared secrets under motel lights, and a slow-burn romance that develops with every mile they travel together. Alex smiled, thinking of the perfect road trip playlist for a story like that. Then, Alex found the Found Family and Unlikely Cruise category. This was their favorite. The book, The Sundown Van, was about a group of queer friends who escaped their small, unaccepting town in a colorful, old van. They travel across the country, facing challenges together and building a new family for themselves, one based on love and mutual support. Alex felt a warm feeling, imagining the laughter and deep conversations inside that van. The final category was High-Stakes Highways, for fantasy and thrillers. Cross-Country Cryptid sounded exciting. It was about a paranormal investigator and a skeptical blogger who team up to chase a mysterious creature across America's most haunted highways. The journey was full of danger, strange events, and an unexpected connection between the two protagonists. The mix of mystery and adventure sent a shiver of excitement down Alex's spine. After reading about these worlds, Alex closed the laptop. The room was quiet, but their mind was racing with possibilities. These books were not just stories, they were invitations. They were maps to places of courage, love, and belonging. The wanderlust was stronger than ever, but now it had a new purpose. Alex stood up, walked over to a large map on the wall, and placed a finger on their own town. The journey, they realized, had already begun. Alex felt a familiar pull, a feeling of wanderlust that grew stronger. They wanted to hit the road, to drive with no destination. Alex sintió un impulso familiar, un sentimiento de pasión por viajar que se hacía más fuerte. Querían ponerse en camino, conducir sin destino. The first was Journeys of Self-Discovery. They learn about their own identity and courage. La primera era, Viajes de Autodescubrimiento. Aprenden sobre su propia identidad y valentía. Two rival musicians are forced to share a ride. A slow-burn romance that develops with every mile. Dos músicos rivales se ven obligados a compartir un viaje. Un romance a fuego lento que se desarrolla con cada milla. Found Family and Unlikely Cruise category. Building a new family based on love and mutual support. Categoría, Familia encontrada y equipos inesperados. Construyendo una nueva familia basada en el amor y el apoyo mutuo. The final category was high-stakes highways. They team up to chase a mysterious creature. La categoría final era, carreteras de alto riesgo. Hacen equipo para perseguir a una criatura misteriosa. These books were not just stories, they were invitations. The journey, they realized, had already begun. Estos libros no eran solo historias, eran invitaciones. El viaje, se dieron cuenta, ya había comenzado. Great! Now let's learn some key vocabulary from the story. The first word is wanderlust. Wanderlust is a strong desire to travel and explore the world. For example, Alex felt a strong sense of wanderlust. Next, horizon. The horizon is the line at which the Earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. It often represents the future or the limit of what is possible. Example, they drove towards the endless horizon. Our third term is found family. A found family is a group of people, not related by blood, who choose to become a family for each other, providing love and support. For example, the friends in the van became a true found family. Finally, high stakes. This adjective means that the situation is very serious, and the outcome is very important because there is a lot to win or lose. Example, it was a high-stakes journey to find the creature. Today's useful expression is, to hit the road. This is an informal way to say, to begin a journey or, to leave. In the story, Alex wanted to hit the road. You could also say, it's getting late, we should hit the road. It's a very common and natural-sounding phrase. Now, let's check your understanding. Question 1. What feeling does Alex have at the beginning of the story? Answer. Alex feels wanderlust, a strong desire to travel. Question 2. Which book is about two rival musicians? Answer. The book is called Highway Hearts. Question 3. What is a found family? Answer. It is a chosen family, a group of people not related by blood who support each other. Question. What feeling does Alex have at the beginning? A. Alex feels wanderlust, a strong desire to travel. B. ¿Qué sentimiento tiene Alex al principio? R. Alex siente, Wanderlust, un fuerte deseo de viajar. Question. Which book is about two rival musicians? A. The book is called Highway Hearts. B. ¿Qué libro trata sobre dos músicos rivales? R. El libro se llama Highway Hearts. Question. What is a found family? A. A chosen family, not related by blood. B. ¿Qué es una familia encontrada? R. Una familia elegida, no emparentada por sangre. Excellent work today. You have learned new vocabulary and practiced your listening skills with a story about adventure and finding yourself. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more English stories. And now, a question for you, which of the books from our story would you like to read the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.